Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Spring Grove, local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the right moving services for your long-distance move makes it easier. We offer the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. You'll get there faster with us, and the move will be more efficient. Our team works hard to help you relocate across the country or just 2 states over. No matter how far you need to go, we'll make it easier. An Illinois moving company is a great option for your local move. Even if you're just moving a few states away, a moving company will make things easier. It might not be a long-distance move, but the job is still rather large. You'll need to pack up everything, load it into a truck, unload, and unpack. Another option is to hire 3 movers and let us do the hard work for you. You will arrive with more energy and time to settle in, and with our help, you get to your new location sooner. We get even the largest move done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spring Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.